Hi, I'm William Myers from Austin Subaru for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you the underside of your Subaru. Why do you want to know this? Well, when your mechanic says you need brakes, well, why do I need brakes? Well, just because he's telling you, you have a percentage of brake pad life left. There is brand new, which start out about 12 millimeter, and this gauge right here is a 12 millimeter gauge. This is how thick your brake pads are when they're brand new, and your pads are going to wear. Now, the inside pad's going to wear faster than the outside pad. This is normal, and pads don't wear perfectly even. One of the pads going to be a little thicker at one end, the other end's going to be a little thinner. This is a normal wear. But as you can see, this is a brake pad gauge, okay? And on them, they've got like when you get to 4 millimeters, you're starting to get a little thin. But the wear bar, there's a little wear tab on the inside of a brake pad that will start squealing at you when you get to the minimum level. But I'm going to recommend that everybody start replacing their brake pads once you get down to about a 2 millimeter level, because you're getting a little thin about then. So that's brake pads.